A lot of AI videos look like crap because the prompts are way too vague. Let me show you how it's actually done.
Scene 1. Define the motion. Look at this. She doesn't even know where to go because the prompt didn't tell her. Now I specify the direction and the action, and suddenly the motion flows naturally. Scene 2. Simplify the focus. Here's a common mistake. Too many moving elements at once, and the faces turn into mush. Now I give the AI a clear subject and a trailing focus. Scene 3. Describe the physics. See this? She keeps brushing her hands randomly on the guitar. Now I describe exactly what her hands should do, step by step. And I add a soft spotlight to guide the attention. Scene 4. Specify the work. This landscape looks beautiful, but she's painting the wrong colors. So I add matching details to limit its imagination. Scene 5. Use camera language. A wide shot like this feels flat and boring. Now I add camera direction, closer framing, texture detail, and movement cues. Oh, there are just so many details too.
There are lots of details, makes directing AI important in making realistic scenes. If you like this video, check this video out too. Subscribe to stay creative.